1.
Extract tuning. Broadcaster. To give other Sims buffs, use basketball taunt. To give other Sims interactions, use broken dollhouse. Add. Broadcaster. Tuning. Data. Update name and store info. XML. Keep or remove sim test. Under effects, remove buff line. Under affordance, remove test line. Remove second affordance and buff.
2.
Local tuning. Copy broadcaster super affordance. In affordance, paste. In Pixified Keeper, add chosen frequencies. Select a line of sight type. Under constraints, paste. Select buff tuning. Local tunings, interaction broadcaster, the one we just made. In item, paste. To test your file, extract tuning. Object sim. Add. Sim data, delete. In object tuning, under super affordance, duplicate one that already exists. Local tuning. Copy your interaction. Super affordance. Paste. Don't forget to head to Tools, Modding, and copy strings to all tables, just in case you can't see your work. Test it. Exciting! There's one more step, how to inject it properly.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.